Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use short links in Only Social. Our URL link shortener is a powerful tool for transforming long, messy URLs into short, manageable, and trackable links. Without wasting your time, let's get started. From your Only Social account dashboard, click on Link in Bio. From here, select Short Links. This is where you turn long, messy URLs into powerful, trackable, and smart marketing links. Paste your long URL web address you want to shorten. Right below, select page.fo, then type a memorable slug, such as example. If you leave this field empty, the system will automatically generate a random, unique short link for you. When you are ready, click Shorten URL to create your basic link. But the real power is in the settings we're about to explore. The first advanced section is app linking. This feature creates a seamless experience for mobile users. When enabled, if someone clicks your link on their phone and has a corresponding app installed, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Telegram, the link will open directly in that native app instead of the mobile browser. This provides a much smoother and more engaging user experience. It supports both iOS and Android operating systems. Next is the Pixels section. This is crucial for tracking conversions and building retargeting audiences. Here, you can add tracking pixels from platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook, or TikTok. When someone clicks your short link, these pixels fire, allowing you to track the user's journey, measure campaign success, and remarket to that audience later. Your destination URL is the core target. But what if that target is temporary or needs to change? With the temporary URL feature, you can set an expiration date for your link. After that date, the link will stop working or redirect to a different page you specify. This is perfect for time-sensitive promotions, event registrations, or limited-time offers. But you have even more control. You can set a clicks limit, defining the maximum number of times the link can be used. Once that limit is reached, the link expires, ideal for exclusive offers or limited quantity promotions. Enter the expiration URL. This is the URL your visitors will be redirected to after the main link expires. For precise campaign tracking, use UTM parameters. You can define the source, medium, and campaign. These tags are automatically appended to your destination URL, so analytics tools can tell you exactly which marketing effort drove the click and conversion. Under the protection section, you can set your desired password. This will require users to enter a password before they can access the link, ideal for exclusive content or private resources. You can also enable sensitive content warning. This will pop up an intermediate screen that warns users the link might contain sensitive material, allowing them to confirm if they want to proceed. With targeting, you can direct different users to different pages based on specific criteria like device type, mobile versus desktop, geographic location, country, city. This means one short link can dynamically send a user in France to a French product page, while a user on a phone sees a mobile-optimized version. The cloaking feature gives your links a professional, branded appearance. Instead of showing the full, messy destination URL in the browser's address bar, you can choose to display a cleaner, more branded URL. You can further customize this cloaked page by entering Title Cloaked Page, uploading a favicon, an open graph image for social media previews. You can even inject custom JavaScript to add specific functionality to the intermediate page. Leave HTTP status as it is. Finally, in the advanced section, you can organize your links by assigning them to a specific project or create a new project. This will enable you to navigate to different campaigns, especially when managing multiple projects. And that's the full power of the Only Social link shortener. It's not just about making links shorter, it's about making them smarter, safer, and more effective. You now know how to create links that track performance, target specific audiences, protect your content, and provide a flawless user experience. Start experimenting with these settings to see which combinations drive the best results for your campaigns. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.